Henry's Housework is Maryland's leading service provider for gutter cleaning and repair services in Montgomery County, Maryland. Are you tired of waiting around for your husband to get around to all of the things in your home that need to be fixed? Henry's Housework is the solution to all of your home's handyman needs. With over 60 years of combined experience in building, remodeling, and construction, they can handle any repair. Since 1989, Henry's Housework has built a solid reputation for providing high-quality services to over 20,000 residential and commercial clients in Maryland. Isn't it time you called Henry's Housework? Use the online estimating system and save up to 10% on their services. Check it out now at henryshousework.com.